Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook business page that's not visible to the public. If you've been struggling with your page not showing up in searches or can't figure out why potential customers aren't finding you, this tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to check to make your page discoverable again. First, head over to facebook.com and log in to your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically see your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your page's management area where you can control all the settings and content. You'll now be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is your control center for managing everything related to your business presence on Facebook. From here, locate the settings option on the left navigation menu. The settings section is where all the important configurations live, including privacy settings, page visibility options, and various other controls that determine how your page functions and who can see it. Once you click on Settings, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Settings and Privacy page. This page contains numerous options that control how your business interacts with the public and how people can discover you. From here, locate the option labeled How People Find and Contact You on the left navigation and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage your page's discoverability and the various ways people can reach out to your business. Now, this is the crucial step. Look at the first option where it states allow search engines outside of Facebook to link to your page. This setting is extremely important because it allows search engines, including Facebook's own search function, to index your page in searches. If this option is turned off, your page essentially becomes invisible to anyone trying to find you through search. Make sure this option is toggled on. If you notice it's currently off, simply turn it on by clicking the toggle switch, and your Facebook business page will now be discoverable to the public and appear in search results both on Facebook and external search engines like Google. And that's it. Your Facebook business page should now be visible to the public and searchable by anyone looking for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.